You ever get that feeling scrolling through your feed that it just gets you? Maybe a little too well. Well, you're not wrong. That feed isn't just a random jumble of posts. Nope, it's a world, a reality, built specifically for you. And it's been carefully designed by what you could call digital architects. They're the ones drawing the blueprints that shape everything you see. So, let's pull back the curtain and meet these architects.
This is the big question, right? Who is actually making these decisions? Who are these architects, and what are their grand designs? Because once you understand their plans, you'll understand exactly why your online world looks and, more importantly, feels the way it does.
For this, we're going to focus on two of the biggest architects in the game, Facebook and YouTube. And right from the start, they have totally different philosophies. Think of it like this. Facebook's entire goal is to get people talking to each other. It's built for social interaction. YouTube, on the other hand, is built to serve you and your specific interests. It's all about your intent. Let's dig into what that actually means for what you see every day.
All right, first up, Facebook. Its whole universe revolves around one single powerful idea, the quest for human connection.
And the master blueprint for that quest is a concept they call meaningful social interactions, or MSI for short. Now, this is the really fascinating part. It's not just about finding a video that you'll sit and watch by yourself. The algorithm is actively trying to hunt down the content that's going to make your friends comment, the stuff that will spark a debate, the things that will actually get you and your family talking with each other.
So the best way to think about it is this. Imagine Facebook's algorithm as a party host. Its main job isn't to just play some good tunes in the background. Its main job is to get all the guests to start talking to each other. It's constantly looking for content that it thinks will start a great conversation. And it's even smart enough to know that different rooms have different vibes. The main feed is all about that, but the dedicated watch tab plays by slightly different rules.
Okay, now let's pivot to our second architect, because the approach is, well, completely different. If Facebook is the social party host, YouTube is more like your own personal content concierge. It's dedicated 100% to you.
YouTube really has a two-part mission. Part one is when you use the search bar. Here, it acts like a super efficient librarian, finding the exact video that answers your question. They call that serving your intent. But part two is the homepage. That's where YouTube becomes an adventurous tour guide. Its whole job is to lead you down amazing rabbit holes, showing you new channels and videos it's pretty sure you're going to end up loving. And that's driving your discovery. And that really captures their core idea. It's a constant balancing act. The goal isn't to get you to interact with other people. The goal is to keep you, the individual, so satisfied and fascinated that you just keep watching. It's designed to solve your immediate problem and, at the same time, introduce you to your next obsession. So we've got the two big philosophies, social connection versus individual satisfaction. But how do these architects actually make the call on what to show you? Well, it all comes down to the data signals they're programmed to pay attention to. This chart really lays it out clearly. Facebook is looking for social signals. That means comments, shares, reactions, basically hard evidence that a conversation is happening. YouTube, totally different focus. It's all about viewer satisfaction. So it looks at metrics like watch time, how long you actually stick around for a video, and click-through rate. For YouTube, the absolute gold standard is whether the content itself was good enough to hold your attention.
But here's the real puzzle, especially for creators. The value of these signals is always changing. I mean, how much is a comment on Facebook really worth compared to, say, an extra 5 minutes of watch time on YouTube? That's the moving target that everyone in the space is constantly trying to hit.
And just when we think we've got the blueprints all figured out, a massive renovation project starts. The absolute explosion of short-form video, we're talking Reels and Shorts, is forcing both of these architects to completely adapt their plans. All of a sudden, you've got YouTube caring about quick social shares, and Facebook pushing content from creators you don't even follow. The old lines are getting seriously blurry, and it's creating a whole new digital frontier.
So, let's bring this all home. Once you understand these different architectural plans, you can start to see the outline of your own digital echo, the personalized world that gets built around you, piece by piece, every single day. And what we're looking at here is so much more than just two different algorithms. It's really two fundamentally different worldviews. Each one is designing a unique digital reality for you to live in. One is built on community, the other is built on curiosity.
So here's what you really need to remember. Facebook is a social architect. It's building town squares designed for interaction. YouTube is a content architect. It's paving intricate pathways to guide your interests. But the most important piece of all of this, your clicks, your comments, your shares, your watch time, you are the one providing the raw materials that draw the final map of your own digital world.
So, the next time you find yourself scrolling, just pause for a second. Take a look around at the structure they've built for you, and ask yourself, what does the architecture of my feed say about me?